Welcome to KSIS Academy, and now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 16th November 2021. PM reaches out to tribal people and wheel schemes. So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on November 15th inaugurated the Bishra Munda Museum in Ranchi and also a large amount of welfare schemes in Bhopal. So, and November 15th is now declared as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas or Tribal Pride Day. So, this museum, it was named upon Bhagwan Bishra Munda, who was an Indian tribal freedom fighter, and also he was a religious leader. He belonged to the tribe Munda. Center amends rules to clear tenure extension. So, President has promulgated 2 ordinances that would extend the tenures of Director of the CBI and Enforcement Directorate up to 5 years from 2 years. And now the Fundamental Rules 1992 should also be amended, and the 2 posts will also be added to the list. And previously, he listed Defense Secretary, Foreign Secretary, Home Secretary, Director, Intelligence Bureau and Secretary, Research and Analysis Wing వాళ్ళు ఉండేవాళ్ళు, and now the 2 posts will also be added. The notification వల్ల fifth provision of clause D of Rule 56 of Fundamental Rules 1992 will be amended. Urban factors, not farm fires, cause of pollution. So in Delhi, in Punjab and adjoining areas, paddy harvest ayin tarvata, and there will be crop remnants in the field, which is called stubble. And in order to clear their field for next crop, which is wheat, farmers usually find it easy and cheap to burn the stubble, which is a great contributor to air pollution in the national capital region. And it is said to be the major contributor for Delhi air pollution, but Supreme Court in a recent hearing, it said that construction activities, industry, vehicular exhaust and road dust were major causes of pollution and not stubble burning. And Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh lo jarige stubble burning valla 10% air pollution మాత్రమే జరుగుతుందని చెప్పింది, and the remaining 70% it is coming from pollution caused by industry, dust, vehicles, and construction. There will also be another hearing. ICMR moods change in cattle trading practices, shift from coal. So, in order to fight the climate change, Indian Council of Medical Research recommended India to divert from traditional animal husbandry practices and also to stop use coal as main source of energy. And these recommendations, they are made based on India's actions. India renewable resources నుంచి ఎనర్జీ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడంతో పాటు కోల్ పైన కూడా రిలే అవ్వాలి అన్న పాయింట్ ని డిఫెండ్ చేసింది. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ డిడ్ నాట్ సైన్ ఎనీ మీథేన్ ప్లెడ్జ్, but India is third largest emitter of methane due to its size of rural economy and largest cattle population. Thank you.